Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, our blog CMS channel. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you can get notified when I post any new content. And if you've been following me from the beginning and you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when I post something new. Thank you. So, and in this video we are going to be adding a rich text field that will be added in our add post. As you can see, our body is just a body. You can just type anything, but we can't maybe style this or give it a header or give it a paragraph or anything. We can't do anything here. It's just a normal. We can just type anything, but we can't actually style our text, anything we are typing. So that's what we're going to do in this video. So how are we going to do that? So I'm just going to go straight to our models.py in our blog. That's models.py in the blog. So first of all, we need to Control C and pip install pip install ck editor. Yeah, that's what we're going to install. So we're going to do it like this: pip install the Django /ck editor. So I think this is what we need. I think I've installed this already, but let's click on enter. So pip install this. Yeah, requirement already certified, because I think I can remember installing this way in the beginning, but you guys didn't see it. I just did that on my own. So we need to install that. So now that we have installed that already, so let's just go straight to our settings.py in our CMS. So where we'll have our apps, installed apps. Down here we can now say ck editor. We need to install this too here. I think now this is all we need to do here. So let's just go straight to our models.py. Here we're going to say from ck editor dot fields import rich text field. This is what we're going to be using, the rich text field. So now that we have this, where are we going to add this rich text field? I think in our body, because that's where I'm going to be typing or adding maybe paragraph or anything. So I'm going to add that in our body. So let's come down to our body. I think I need to copy this. So paste it here. So I think I'll get rid of this, but let me just do like this. So I'm not going to be needing this. Let's just say rich text field. This is what we need. And that's all we need to do here. I think we have made a huge change already in our models. We have made a huge change already. So I think I will. So now let's migrate. That's Python manage.py make migrations. Okay, now we have made our migration. So let's just manage the py migrate. Python manage the py run server. So let's open up our server. So I've opened up our server. Let's go to add post. As you can see, this is what we have in our body now. It has changed. It's not like the way it was before. So let's head on to our admin first and see what I'm saying. Let's do /admin. Let's go to post. Let's go to any post, maybe this one. Yeah, this is our rich text field. We're supposed to have something like this in our front end, but it's not displaying. Why is it not displaying? So let's fix that real quick. So we want that to display in our add post. So let's go to our add post.html right here, add post.html. So now this form.asp, we just need to just copy this. We're going to paste it back again. But this time around, instead of form.asp, we are just going to say media. And voila, that's all. I think in our updates we need to do the same thing for our updates. go to our update posts here and have our media there. So let's go back and see what we have. So let's refresh. Voila, now we have our rich text field here, so you can maybe start typing anything. But first of all, I think I need to get some nice looking text from our Lauren Hipson. Just type Lauren Hipson, this first one. So I think I just need 3 paragraphs here. So let's generate this. I think this is fine. I'll need this, so I'll just copy this, come straight to our project and paste that. So now in our rich text editor, maybe you're writing, you can easily maybe just make that bold. As you can see, it's bold. Maybe I want to have a line somewhere. This at the line. This is basically our rich text field. You can maybe walk around this, play around this and see what you can have. I think we have emoji. This is our source code. You can play around and see what you can do with this. This is our source code. Maybe you can, I don't know. Okay, our text is looking nice. You can just play around with this and see what you can do with this. Just play around. I don't know, you can just play around with this and see what you can do with it. So this is basically our rich text field. This is all we need. So let's try to create a post now, and let's say my category of cars. Let's add post. Now we have posted this, but the text is not looking like the way we have it in our Lauren Hipson, like this, and it's not looking the way we did it, like the way we edited it to have the bold. It's just showing us this paragraph strong, which is that bold that we did, and I think I had a line somewhere and I styled. It's not looking like this. At least let's it display in a nice formatting. So what can we do to like change this? So let's just go to our home.html and add something. This is okay, our home.html. We need to give this a slash save. I think I have the same thing in my article.html. Let's go to article.html. Okay, so let's do the same thing there. So article.html, let's add the save there, and let's see what we have. Let's go back to home, and voila, it's appearing normal. This is actually what we did. As you can remember, when we were adding this post, we made this to be bold. I think we changed this styling, and this is how it's supposed to display. So why did we add that save here? Like, why did we add this save? We are telling the Django not to escape HTML. It means if the body has HTML tags like bold or maybe any styling that we did, if it has any HTML tags, the Django will render them instead of showing them as a plain text. So that's how we have this slash save to make it safe, so the Django will not escape HTML. So as you can see, we have another problem here. We have another big problem. As you can see, here we have continue reading. These are continue reading, and this is our home. It's almost displaying every single thing here. So nobody will want to continue reading if I can actually read every single thing here already. Like, I don't want to continue reading if I can actually read everything here already. So we need to fix that, so I can have a little bit of snippets here, whereby you can just maybe read just 3 characters or 4 characters, then you can hit on continue reading and read the rest. So how can we do that? Let's just go straight to our home.html, where we have our body, and we're going to give it another slash. Let's call this trunk catcher. I hope I don't mess the spelling up. I think it's trunk catchers. Yeah, it's trunk catchers underscore HTML. So we're going to give it how many characters that we want. I think I want just 50 characters. That's all. So let's see what we have. And let's refresh. Voila, and this is all I need. I just want to just see 50 characters here, so when I click on continue reading, I can read the rest of the article. And this is nice. This is the perfect way to actually do it. So now these strong catchers that we added, as you can see what it's already doing, it cuts the text after 50 characters. That's basically what I did. I want to cut the text after 50 characters. So if you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 to 50, it will cut the text. So you can now click on continue reading and read the remaining text. So I think that's all I have for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. I think I would like to like this post. Yeah, we have 1 like here now, so our like is still working. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.